My name is Tom, and today is a very important day in my life. I am standing in front of a beautiful old bookstore called the Golden Page. I have an interview for my very first job today. I wore my blue t-shirt, and I feel a little bit nervous. I walk inside, and the shop smells like old paper and vanilla coffee. A woman with round glasses and a burgundy cardigan walks towards me. Her name is Olivia, and she is the manager of this wonderful shop. She has a very calm voice and a very kind, supportive smile. "Hello, Tom. Please sit down and tell me about yourself," she says. I tell her that I love reading and I like helping people. Logic tells me that being honest is the best way to get a job. Olivia listens to me carefully and writes something in her notebook. I am satisfied with the professional atmosphere of the bookstore. Everything looks organized, high quality, and very peaceful here. My blue eyes are bright as I look at the tall wooden shelves. Olivia tells me that the job is not only about selling books. It is also about taking care of the stories and the customers. I am a proactive person, so I tell her I am ready to learn. She smiles and says, "Welcome to the team, Tom. You start tomorrow." I feel a lot of joy and creative energy in my heart. I am Tom, and I finally have my first real job. I thank Olivia and walk out of the shop with a big smile. The sun is warm, and the city looks beautiful and full of hope. I am satisfied with the quality of my interview today. Every detail of the shop is now a part of my new life. I feel very stable, confident, and very successful. I call my mother to tell her the great news immediately. She is very proud of me and my proactive character. Tonight, I will have a very good and peaceful sleep. We are moving to my first day of work. It is Monday morning, and I am at the bookstore at 8 o'clock. Olivia is already there, and she is organizing some new arrivals. She gives me a small name tag that says Tom in gold letters. I put on my blue t-shirt and feel very professional. "First, Tom, we need to organize the fiction section," Olivia says. She shows me how to put the books in alphabetical order. It is a lot of work because the books are heavy and thick. I take a large blue book and find its place on the top shelf. Logic says that an organized shop makes the customers happy. I am satisfied with the quality of the wooden shelves and the books. Olivia tells me that every book has its own special place. I am a proactive student, so I ask many questions about the authors. She knows everything about classic literature and modern poems. Everything looks high quality and very mastery under her control. My brown hair is a bit messy, but I am working very hard. I feel a lot of inspiration from the smell of the new pages. Sometimes I want to stop and read every story I touch. But Olivia says, "Work first, Tom, and read during your break." She is a very good teacher, and I respect her very much. We work together for 3 hours without any long breaks. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly rhythm of our work. Every detail of the shelf is now clean and perfectly organized. I am Tom, and I'm learning the secrets of the bookstore. The shop is now open, and we are ready for the customers. My heart is beating fast as the first person walks in. I feel very energetic and ready to be a great assistant. The atmosphere is quiet, peaceful, and very creative. I look at Olivia, and she gives me a silent good luck. This is a very high-quality beginning of my professional career. We are moving to help our first customer. An old man walks to the counter and looks at me kindly. He is looking for a book about the history of the city. I am a proactive assistant, so I go to the history section. I find 3 different books and show them to the gentleman. I explain the differences between them as Olivia taught me. The man is very impressed and chooses the largest book. I walk back to the wooden counter to finish the sale. I use the computer to scan the book and take the money. My blue eyes are focused on the screen, and I am very careful. The man says, "Thank you. Young man, you are very helpful." I feel very proud and very successful in this moment. Logic tells me that good service is the key to success. I am satisfied with the quality of my first real interaction. Olivia stands near the window and watches me with a smile. She doesn't say anything, but I know she is happy with me. Everything feels very high quality and very real in this shop. I am Tom, and I am helping people find their favorite stories. More customers come inside, and the shop becomes busy. I help a young girl find a comic book and a teacher find a map. I am satisfied with the energetic and positive flow of the day. My blue t-shirt is comfortable even when I am moving fast. Every detail of the job is interesting and very meaningful. I'm learning how to talk to different kinds of people. I feel very stable, calm, and very professional today. Olivia tells me that I'm doing a great job for my first day. I am happy that I can be a proactive part of this team. The clock on the wall says it is time for a lunch break. I'm a bit tired, but my spirit is very high and happy. Working in a bookstore is better than I ever imagined. We are moving to the back room for coffee. We sit at a small round table in a quiet back room. Olivia makes 2 cups of coffee, and the smell is wonderful. We have some simple cookies and a few minutes of rest. "How do you feel about your first day, Tom?" Olivia asks. I tell her that I love the energy and the books very much. She tells me that she started working here 10 years ago. She says that a bookstore is a place where time stops. Logic says that books are our best teachers in this life. I am satisfied with the quality of our deep conversation. Everything feels very peaceful, stable, and very friendly. Olivia gives me some good advice about being a manager. Always listen to the customer, even when they are quiet, she says. I am a proactive listener, so I remember every word she says. My blue t-shirt is soft, and the chair is very comfortable. I am Tom, and I am grateful for such a wise mentor. We talk about our favorite characters and our favorite endings. I feel a lot of creative inspiration for my own future. The world outside is loud, but here it is safe and calm. I am satisfied with the friendly bond one am building with Olivia. Every detail of this break is a high-quality memory for me. The coffee is hot, and the cookies are very delicious. I feel my energy coming back, and I am ready for more work. Olivia checks the time and says it is time to go back. I'm a proactively thinking man, and I have a new goal. I want to know every book in this shop by the end of the month. We stand up and put the cups in the small kitchen sink. The atmosphere is full of support, success, and quiet joy. I am proud to be a member of the Golden Page team. My first job is a beautiful and very logical adventure. We're moving to find a very rare book. A woman comes into the shop and asks for a very rare book. It is an old book of poems from the 19th century. Olivia says that it might be on the very top shelf in the corner. I take the wooden ladder and move it to the dark corner. I climb up carefully because the ladder is a bit old. I am at the top, and my blue eyes see a lot of dust. I move some old boxes and find a book with golden letters. It is the book. I feel very successful and very lucky. I clean the dust with my hand and hold the treasure tightly. I found it, Olivia. I shout from the top of the ladder. Olivia looks up, and she is very surprised and happy. I climb down slowly and give the book to the customer. She is very happy and says she was looking for it for years. Logic tells me that our hard work makes people's dreams come true. I'm satisfied with the quality of this discovery today. Everything looks organized and very mastery in my mind. My blue t-shirt has some dust on it, but I don't care. I am Tom, and I'm a real book detective today. The customer pays for the book and gives me a big smile. I am satisfied with the high-quality service I provided. Olivia says that finding rare books is the best part of the job. I feel a lot of positive and creative energy in my body. Every detail of this moment is ultra real and very emotional. I am proud of my proactive and careful work on the ladder. We have only 1 hour before the shop closes for the day. The afternoon sun is golden and falls on the wooden floor. I am satisfied with the stable and successful flow of the day. I feel very energetic and very happy with my new life. My first job is teaching me about patience and discovery. We're moving to the end of my first week. It is Friday evening, and my first week is over. I am standing near the front door with Olivia. We turn the sign to closed and lock the door together. The shop is quiet, and the city lights are starting to shine. I look at the shelves, and they look perfect and organized. You had a great first week, Tom, Olivia says warmly. She pats me on the shoulder, and I feel very proud. Logic says that hard work always leads to a good result. I am satisfied with the quality of my first professional steps. Everything feels very stable, high quality, and very friendly. I am Tom, and I am no longer a nervous beginner. I am a part of the Golden Page, and I love my job. Olivia tells me to have a good rest and see me on Monday. I thank her for everything and walk to the bus station. My blue t-shirt is a bit tired, but my heart is very light. I am satisfied with the proactive and successful days I had. The city at night is ultra detailed and looks very beautiful. Every second of this week was a high quality memory for me. I'm a proactively thinking man who found his place. I plan to read a new book during my weekend at home. My story about my first job ends with a big smile. I feel very energetic and ready for the next week. I am satisfied with the stable and supportive mentor I have. The stars are shining above the bookstore, bright and clear. Life is a beautiful book. I just finished the first chapter. I reach my apartment and feel very calm and very happy. I am Tom, and I am looking forward to my future. My first week was a real success, and I am very proud. Tomorrow is Saturday, and I will have a very good rest. Good night, bookstore, and see you very soon, Olivia.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.